Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity again, coming to you with something a little bit different. I'm not normally a product review channel, but I decided to order something because my Ruckus, the seat didn't look as good, and I didn't have enough money to buy one of those super cool mounts. What's the one with the little curve? Looks like a curved piece of cut metal. I forget. Anyways, so I went onto eBay, and criticize me if not, but I'm sure there are people out there who want to know what this Sickspeed low seat looks like. So I went ahead and ordered one from eBay, and I have it. It's here with me today. It is from Made in China. So we're gonna go ahead and open this and see what it looks like on the inside. I noticed that this one is a two-piece. It's not kind of, the low seat that normal people buy or everyone else has. It's a one-piece that you put on there, and really all it is it looks like it's something that's cut lower. So what do we get in the package? We get this and this. It's two pieces of the seat. There you go. And it looks like it should still open and close, I hope. Oh look, it's flattened on this end. The downside on this is that I have to ditch the plastics under my seat. I'd cut the plastics under my seat so it would fit. And this looks rusty. No, it's not rusty. It's just this packing on here. There you go. There's the two pieces. And then it goes on your seat. But if you notice, the seat will now sit further back on the bike. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this installed and see what it looks like. But before we put the seat on, we have a special announcement. We got a package in the mail. It says specifically to open it while we are here on camera. So here we go. Okay, here it is. It comes to me, to my address, from Riney Motor Fab, his YouTube channel over in Michigan. Let's go ahead and open it. Hopefully it's safe to open with a knife. And there's lots of tape.
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh, it's a Hayes manual. It's a Hayes manual for automatic transmission 50 to 250 cc two-wheeled carbureted models of Hondas and Kymcos, Piaggios, Vespas, and Yamahas. Yeah, this will come in handy. Thanks, bud. I really appreciate it. All right, thanks, Riney. That was awesome. Thanks for the anniversary present. Awesome. And I'm sure that it'll get much use. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and take this off with the tools that Joe S. had sent me. This is like the miracle piece that I've been looking for all my life. Anyways, let's go ahead and get the seat off. That is probably the fastest I've ever taken this seat off this bike. All right, then we need to take these plastics off right here. I guess this means I have to wire tuck now, so let's go ahead and do a fitting on this seat. Alright, so this one fits differently because if you look, you don't use all the holes. It goes over, it's angled back, It goes all the way and lines up with the frame, so the butt of the seat will be all the way up to here. So you're kind of moving your seat back. So I guess for taller people who ride ruckuses, this would be nice because the seat is no longer right here. It's pushed back over here. Let's go get the seat mounted onto the frame and see what it looks like. So it's off the seat. Now we have to put those brackets onto the frame. Questions out there? It does open. There's the latch, there's the hunch that goes over and locks in. There's the spot. See these little seats? They're right here, and it has the limiters here that you hook on. I didn't do that right earlier, and it keeps it from flipping all the way out. And now it's a little tight for the latch. I actually kind of have to push it a little bit, but there you go. Anyways, there it is. Now, the only thing I need to do is fix all that crappy wiring I got underneath there, and this will look great. What do you think? Anyways, I like it. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think. Note, it pushes the seat back and flush with the back frame. It's also lower, obviously, and the seat still opens. So, I mean, what's there to complain about? It's just two pieces of metal. Anyways, there you go with the Sickspeed ultra low seat from eBay. Anyways, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below if anyone's had any experiences with this. I'm gonna ride it for a while, and then I'll probably put in a video my thoughts and whatever I think about this particular lowered seat. But I like it. I wanted it lower, and I wanted it seated back. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.